Welcome to 2025, where Tecno is rewriting the rules with a device that feels more like sci-fi than reality. This is the new Tecno Sleek, and it lives up to its name. Built with aerospace-grade materials and a body thinner than any flagship on the market, it doesn't just look futuristic, it is futuristic. A dual display mode that doesn't fold. No creases, no hinges. Instead, you get a seamless glass fusion that transforms at will, adaptive surfaces that mold based on your task. From productivity to play, this is multitasking redefined. And the interface, completely reimagined. Powered by Tecno's new neural engine, your Sleek learns from you in real time. It suggests, automates, and enhances every interaction. No more apps, just flows. Security isn't just fast, it's instinctive. Facial, retinal, and even emotion-based unlock. Yes, it can tell if it's really you, and only you. And for the creators, a 200 megapixels ultralight sensor with lidar 2.0. Day or night, motion or still, what you shoot rivals cinematic cameras. It doesn't capture a moment, it captures the memory behind it. Gamers, meet spatial gaming. No lag, no frames dropped. And when paired with Tecno's Cloud Blade engine, console-level performance is always in your pocket. It charges from 0 to full in just 8 minutes. It's built for 6G connectivity. It's got satellite backup. And yes, it even speaks to your smart home before you walk in. This isn't just a phone. It's the start of something different. Something sleek. Make sure to subscribe for more drops on the future of tech, before the future even gets here.